Well, hello everybody. It is Memorial Day.
We made it through our first holiday weekend.
We were on duty
as
today.
Camp hosts. Hi, I'm Rob.
And I'm Liz, and this is Max.
Mary.
And Lulu. We just quit our jobs and left it all behind.
To find something bigger and better, because we were
Called to the road.
Beautiful day, and we decided that we would start enjoying our Memorial Day ourselves. I ran to the grocery to get some stuff to grill, which that was almost non-existent. But we did find some pork chops. We got some grilled herb roasted pork chops, mushrooms, local sweet corn. As we were starting to grill, a rainstorm came, so now we don't know what the scene is. We're gonna have our little Memorial Day meal.
Celebration.
Potato salad, corn on the cob.
Inside.
Stuff off the grill, yeah, it's raining.
But it's cooling things down out there. It was pretty hot today. I really wanted to go jump in the lake, but we did not do that. I'm guessing that's going to come on one of our days off. So we'll see if we have any time for it. There's no time for fun, guys. It's just all work,
That's
work, work.
not true.
We don't ever drive the Gator. We don't.
That's not true.
We have fun every time we step out of this door, I think, you guys. We're having a blast here thus far. Are you ready to eat or what?
I'm ready.
We're pretty hungry, guys. We've been having actually so much fun that we keep like skipping meals because we're just like on a high from how great this job is.
We had some ducks come through today. We'll show some clips of
Oh,
our
yeah.
duck.
We'll
We
have
got
to
feed the ducks.
Insert the clip of the ducks. They came right into our yard, and then Rob gave them some crackers or something, and
Quackers.
quackers. They were really cute.
Mama have some.
Good morning, everyone. It's a gorgeous, cool morning here. I'm just sipping on some coffee and getting ready for the day. So usually on Saturdays are usually a pretty easy day because a lot of people don't check out on Saturdays. People check in on Fridays for the most part and leave on Sunday. So you've got 11 people checking out today in my section, and so I go through our active report and write all those down, and I'll go around on the Polaris, which we still have. I don't know how long we're gonna get to enjoy that upgrade, but we are taking full advantage of it. We love it. It's such a smooth ride, and it's really fun. It's a privilege to be able to drive that thing and to be trusted with it. So we're gonna go around and clean some sites. So we're gonna bring you guys with today. and show you how wonderful our job is.
I'm just taking a little nap after my morning classes today. But I need my beauty rest. You can clean the sites.
It's a pretty easy day, so I might give Rob the day off. I don't know. I kind of need him to be my cameraman, so I don't know how long his nap is gonna last.
Got a tripod.
Alright guys, I've got the keys to the Polaris, my walkie-talkie, and my list of sites that I gotta clean today, so I'm ready to go. The first thing I'm gonna do is empty the hot ashes from yesterday, so whenever somebody's fire pit still has hot ashes, we have metal buckets that we put those ashes in, and we just let them sit overnight so that we're not putting hot ashes in the dumpster and creating potentially a fire in the dumpster. So here goes. The dumpster's getting pretty full, which happens on the weekends, so hopefully there's space for these. They are pretty heavy. Definitely getting a workout doing this. Okay. Oh my goodness. Watch out for the ashes. Bucket number 1 down. We do have a second bucket. There wasn't a lot of hot ashes last night because it rained the night before, so a lot of people didn't get to make a fire because it was raining, and those that did, the fire pit got rained on, so that cooled those ashes down. Bucket number 2. Hi.
Stop it.
Bucket number 2, the handle got melted because they were so hot. Gotta leave the handle up. Okay. Plenty of room. Look at that. Oh, okay. Make sure all the other cold ash buckets and trash buckets are empty, and we're ready to go, guys. Alright, they're all empty. Let's get out of here. This is definitely the most enjoyable part. Alright, so we are looking for site 45. Let's do it. Definitely people today. Alright, I've just got a glove and a bucket. I'm just gonna look for trash and check their fire pit. Some people literally don't even leave one piece of trash. And yesterday, for instance, we had a site that decided to have a water balloon fight, and they didn't pick up any of the water balloons. There was definitely probably 100 water balloons. I'm not even kidding you. So here's my first piece of trash. Site looks actually pretty good, but you know. So here's my second piece of trash. Ooh. Never can tell what things like that are, especially with tent campers. Okay, so they left quite a bit of trash. Oh boy. The tiny pieces of trashes obviously are the worst. They take forever to pick up. Okay, so whatever they were doing with their fire pit, I don't know. It doesn't look like they were able to get a fire started. So many people never get their fire going. I don't know, it's a thing. So then all their wood is like half burnt. Alright guys, this site actually wasn't that bad. They didn't make a successful fire, so there's no ashes to clean up. They did leave some trash, but I've seen much worse. So, on to the next site. So, this park is so busy. I don't know if it's always this busy or what, but people want to get outside. People are camping that have never camped before. People are finding ways to get outside and enjoy nature, guys. So it's happening, and the parks are full. We are full this weekend. We were full last weekend for Memorial Weekend. We've been full every weekend since we've been here, and I think this is our 4th weekend. Does that sound right, Rob? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so parks are busy, guys. People want to get outside and camp, which is totally different from RVing, but we do have some RV sites here as well. So, all right, guys, I wanted to give you a little update on our plants here. As you can see, this tomato plant has just gone crazy this week. So when we first planted it, it wasn't even above that first wire thing there. I mean, it was a little bit above that, I guess, but now it's above the second one and it's almost above the third one. So just doing great. That's our cherry tomato. This one is a Rutgers, and then this is our beefsteak. Flowers are doing great still, except something ate the tops of all the purple ones off of this one, but there's new blooms coming in, so oh well. And then over here we've got our yellow squash is still looking pretty good, and we've got the zucchini doing great, and our cucumber.